Hey guys, this was one of the top comments on our last video. Thanks for commenting. Guys, today we're going to be painting a koi fish. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. I'm going to outline it and then drag it into the other shade of blue. Then I'm just going to go into the corners and then into the right bottom corner and go in with a darker blue this time. Now I'm going to go in with a different brush to make a different brush pattern. Then I'm going to get some water and dip it in to blend it out with the canvas more. I'm just going to put more blue in my brush and dip it in the water again and blend it out into the other colors. Then I'm going to go in and outline the thing I just did with a darker blue. Now I'm going to outline that and blend it into the light color in the middle of it. Then I'm just going to add a dark blue . Now I'm going to go in with a marker to get it more defined and make an outline to the lily pads. You can put these wherever you want. It is optional, or you can do the same as me. It's just your opinion. I'm going to make big ones and small ones to contrast. I'm going to paint in them with all different shades of green. Then I'm just going to wipe off some of the mistakes that I made. Happy little mistakes. Then I'm just going to add some dark green to some of them, make them a little bit darker. Then I'm just going to go in with a towel and fix the mistakes that I did that went over the line. And I did use a pen just for the beginning. I will go over it with a brush and some black paint. I'm going to do my final layer on these. And then I'm going to go in with green on some of them as well to give them highlight, because you can never go wrong with too much highlight. And if you need to pause the video or replay it, you can. Also, if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments. After I did the lily pads, I outlined the fish's body. I'm just going to add some whiskers and some fins. I will be painting over it later. This is just a guideline. Then I'm just going to draw it a little buddy but it like kind of curved so that they're like swimming in like a rotation around each other. And when you do draw the fins, make like little ruffles in it to show that it's like, you know, a normal fin. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and some white paint and go over their bodies because their normal bodies are white and not see-through. And then you just got to dip it in water so that it goes over a little bit more smoother and so that you can see what you're like painting on. The water is optional. This is a watercoloring video. You can just like dip your brush in water before you do it. Then I'm just gonna go in after I've done a few layers of white and do little patterns on their body. I use orange mixed with a little bit of brown on this pattern. There is a second color that is added, and it is also yellow with a little bit of brown and orange. You're just gonna put this anywhere you want on their body. Try to separate them because you don't want them all just bundled up in one spot. Then I'm going to go in with a littler brush and go over what I just painted after I let it dry. Then I'm gonna go in with a small brush and just give like little riffles in the water with white paint to show that like they're moving. As you can tell, I am very focused. After this, I'm just going to go in with a brush and some black paint. Follow the outline that I did with the marker. I'm moving around a lot. And then I drop my painting. It was very sad. For some reason, I looked at the camera and smiled. But now I'm just gonna sign it. It's very messy, but that's besides the point. And ta-da! The finished product. I liked how it turned out. Thank you for commenting and liking. For supporting the channel since it's new. And if you want to purchase my art, it's at thesleeperdude.com.